Welcome to Compare to Win. The best K-Cup cleaner pods is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential items for any coffee lover who relies on their single-serve brewer daily, ensuring every cup tastes as fresh and pure as the first, preventing residue buildup, and extending the life of your beloved machine without any complicated scrubbing or disassembly, making your morning routine not just convenient but also consistently delicious. Number 5. IMPRESA Keurig Descaler and Cleaning Bundle. This comprehensive kit provides a meticulous maintenance solution for your coffee machine. It's compatible with Keurig K-Duo and K-Cup brewers, ensuring optimal performance and quality brews every time. Its powerful descaler effectively removes limescale and mineral buildup. Regular use every 3 to 4 months significantly extends its lifespan and prevents corrosion. The included cleaner eliminates oils and residues, removing bitterness for improved taste. Use the cleaning pods weekly or between flavor changes for consistently delicious coffee. This kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use, saving you time. Its simple process ensures thorough cleaning and enhances your machine's overall efficiency. This value-driven bundle provides one 8-ounce bottle for 2 uses and 4 cleaning pods. It offers a convenient supply for regular maintenance, compatible with various Keurig models. What we like. This comprehensive bundle offers both descaling solution and cleaning pods, ensuring your machine is thoroughly maintained. Its long-lasting descaler extends machine life, while the cleaning pods enhance your coffee's taste. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to keep your brewer in top condition and enjoy better-tasting coffee, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Quick and clean Keurig cleaning pods. Over time, coffee residue can build up in your Keurig machine, affecting the taste of your brew. Don't let hidden grime spoil your perfect cup. Discover the simple solution for a sparkling clean machine. These K-Cup cleaner pods are specifically designed to work with your Keurig. Rest assured, they are fully compatible with all Keurig 2.0 coffee machines. Just pop one in like a regular coffee pod. These powerful pods effectively remove stubborn stains and unseen residue from your machine's internal components. Experience a noticeably cleaner brew with every use. You can trust them to be non-toxic and eco-friendly. They provide a thorough clean without harming your health or the environment. Maintain your Keurig effortlessly and ensure delicious, fresh-tasting coffee every day. It's the quick and easy way to keep your brewer in top condition. What we like. These convenient pods offer a quick and easy way to maintain your Keurig brewer regularly. They are non-toxic and eco-friendly, providing a guilt-free cleaning experience. If you prioritize environmental responsibility and need a simple, effective cleaning solution for your Keurig, these pods are ideal. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as source JSON is empty. Number 3. Universal Coffee Machine Descaler Tablets. Over time, mineral buildup can degrade your coffee machine's performance and taste. Don't let limescale ruin your daily brew. It's time for a refresh. These powerful tablets offer a simple solution to combat stubborn mineral deposits. They work quickly to break down scale, restoring your machine's efficiency. Designed for versatility, they are compatible with popular brands like Nespresso, Keurig, Ninja, DeLonghi, and Miele. No matter your machine, it's covered. Regular descaling not only improves the taste of your coffee but also extends the lifespan of your appliance. Keep it running like new for years to come. Each pack contains 24 tablets, providing a generous supply for consistent maintenance. Keep your coffee and espresso machine sparkling clean and performing optimally. What we like. These versatile tablets provide a powerful descaling solution for a wide range of coffee machines, from Nespresso to Keurig. With a generous 24-count pack, you get long-term value for consistent maintenance. If you own multiple types of coffee makers or need an economical descaling option for frequent use, this product is perfectly suited. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. Number 2. Grand Cafe Keurig Cleaning Pods, 20-pack, K-Cup Cleaner. Coffee oils and residue build up in your machine over time. These pods are designed to remove that buildup, helping maintain it between descaling cycles. Their crystal clean formula breaks down coffee oils and residue that affect flavor and performance. Each pod delivers a larger dose for a deeper, more effective clean. They work with Keurig K-Cup compatible and single-cup brewers, including 2.0 models. Simply brew them like a regular pod, then rinse. This king-size 20-pod value pack ensures consistent upkeep. It's ideal for routine cleaning, helping maintain performance and extend the life of your coffee maker. Routine cleaning removes internal residue and oil buildup that can strain your brewer. Regular use helps maintain its performance and keeps it running smoothly. They are proudly manufactured in the USA. These pods are designed to fit easily into your regular coffee machine maintenance routine. What we like? This large 20-pack offers exceptional value for routine cleaning, ensuring your brewer stays fresh. Its crystal clean formula specifically targets and breaks down coffee oils and residue, preventing flavor impact. If you brew frequently and want a cost-effective way to maintain your Keurig 1.0 or 2.0 machine, this value pack is a smart investment. What people say. Number 1. 6 uses coffee machine descaler solution. Is your morning coffee losing its rich taste? Mineral buildup can silently degrade your machine's performance and the quality of your brew. This solution is designed to bring back that fresh, delicious flavor you love. Each package provides 6 powerful descaling treatments, offering exceptional value and convenience. You'll have enough to keep your machine running optimally for months. It's an efficient way to maintain your appliance. Worried about compatibility? This cleaner works seamlessly with popular brands like Breville, Keurig, Nespresso, DeLonghi, and Ninja. It's a versatile solution for almost any automatic coffee or espresso machine. Whether you have an automatic coffee pot, a drip maker, or a sophisticated espresso machine, this product is engineered to decale them all. It effectively removes mineral deposits, ensuring smooth operation. This keeps your appliance in top condition. Regular descaling isn't just about taste, it also significantly extends the life of your coffee machine. By preventing scale buildup, it protects internal components from damage. This simple step saves you money on repairs and replacements. Using it is incredibly straightforward. Just follow the easy instructions to dissolve mineral buildup and flush it away. This ensures a thorough clean without any hassle, making maintenance a breeze. Don't let scale ruin your coffee experience. Choose this powerful descaler to keep your machine pristine and your coffee tasting its best. It's the essential maintenance for any coffee lover. What we like? This concentrated powder provides 6 uses from a single pack, making it a very economical choice for descaling. It's compatible with a wide array of popular coffee and espresso machines, offering broad utility. If you prefer a customizable descaling solution and want maximum uses from one purchase for various machines, this powder is an excellent option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.